Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullahi ve berekatuhu. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan OZER.
And my name is Yasir Shafiq.
And we are in Kocaeli at Bahçecik region. And we would like to introduce this brand new, totally independent, detached private villa for you today. First of all, before starting our tour, I want to show you directly the view of the property. There is a clear panoramic Marmara sea views available from the property. And what we have specification for this property, we have 520 square meters land. On this 520 square meters land, there is 410 square meters detached villa, which is including 3 rooms plus 1 living room and 1 indoor swimming pool. So, as you see on the video, we are on the terrace section of the property, and let's start our tour from the terrace. So, brother Yasir, what do you think about the scenery? Did you like the scenery?
I love this scenery is really beautiful. From here you can see the sea, all the houses, even we have forests and mountains. It's really incredible. Wallah, I love it. So let's go. The best thing is downstairs, you know.
Yeah.
So this villa is also like a surprising villa. It's on a very top, and at the same time they have made this villa in like a modern style. So you're gonna
we
love
have
it.
modern architecture design. And look to behind us. Look what kind of environment. Yeah, the backside of the property is looking for the forest, and the front side of the property is looking for the Marmara Sea view. It's beautiful and lovely. So let's discover this property together, brother.
Okay.
There is a huge terrace. It's so big, so big, so big. Look at that big terrace. Let's keep continue our tour. We have 520 square meters land. On this 520 square meters land, there is 410 square meters big villa, which is containing 3 floors. Yani design of the property is triplex design. This is the first floor, and when we reach the first floor, there are rooms are located on the first floor. I want to start from the common bathroom. This is the common bathroom section of the property. And I can say that each materials are the first quality inside the bathroom too. There's such an avant-garde design. And when we keep continue our tour, this is the one nice and spacious children room. Even all the rooms has the Marmara Sea view, and I want to get attention about the highness of the ceiling. We have more than 315 centimeters highness for the ceiling. And when I look to lighting system, there is LED spot and LED on the edge lighting system inside this room. So let me check out the double action windows are available, and all the rooms has facing the Marmara Sea view. So when we reach this section, there is nice and spacious hall is available, and right over here, this is the smallest room of the property. Also, this room has the amazing scenery. So when we keep continue, this is the main master room section of this property. Also, there's a balcony is available. And wow, look at that beautiful view. Let's make a zoom, bro. View is amazing. View is totally amazing. I'm feeling like myself like an eagle. Like an eagle.
Even this balcony is big.
Wallah. Wow, you're right, bro.
Until here.
MashaAllah.
Good.
And look at that beautiful green mountain. And also, we are so lucky. The weather is so nice today. Yeah. So, let's go. We have to hurry up because we are trying to reaching the iftar on time. And this is the bathroom of the master room. Nice and spacious. Again, all the materials I can say that easily first quality. It's nice. So let's keep continuing, brother. I don't want to make so long video, so let's keep continue. And when we reach this section, there is very huge living room section is welcoming us. We have open style kitchen over here, and right over here there is a WC is available. This is the entrance section of the property. You can park your vehicles over here. There is a I believe that you can park over here around 3 cars easily. And this is the main entrance of the property. It is when you get inside the property directly, living room and kitchen section of the property is welcoming us. This is the kitchen. Heating system of the property is working with the natural gas system, and you can see the combi boiler device. This is the combi boiler device. You can have a look like that. This is the combi boiler. It's working with the natural gas. And main issue about this property, if you are looking for more privacy and if you are looking for an amazing view with green modern nature area and also with sea view, if you are looking for the open wisdom, this property can be very suitable choice for you, because nothing can block your view. And one more good thing, nowadays it's really hard to find that kind of properties in Kocaeli. Yeah, there are, but very old, at least 7 years old, 10 years old, something like that. So that as a brand new, to find that kind of detached independent private is really hard. It can be suitable option for you. This property can be suitable option for you, and you can see the details of the price in the description. Please check it out. Now we are going to most impressive section of the property. Yes, when we reach this section, indoor swimming pool is welcoming us. Indoor swimming, and also it is not so small. It is big enough. I don't know the exact size, but I can say that it's around 50 or 60 square meters. And right over here also there's one more balcony is available, and there is a bathroom is available. Yeah, sure. The bathroom is available over here. So this is the situation of this property. Also, there is this at us. Pardon?
No, downstairs garden.
Garden. Let's check it out. The garden. There's a space, the permission was taken from the local administration. You can put the sauna over here. So this is the garden section of the property. You have big enough own garden. So this is the situation of this property. I hope that you enjoy, guys. So let's make the finalizing together, brother. What is this?
I don't know, it just came like now. 1, 2, 3.
Sorry for the latency. So, brother, I hope that you enjoyed what you see.
I loved, especially the swimming pool is like amazing thing in this place.
So, for catching this opportunity, please contact with me. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. If you like our videos, please don't forget like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and fi aman Allah.